In my content creation journey, I partner with solution provider that simplifies business process. Xero makes accounting easy for small business. It offers real-time financial insight, streamlined invoice, and seamless expense track. I partnered with them, and below is my affiliate link. Using it supports my content creation at no extra cost to you. If you're looking to simplify your finances, Xero's platform is designed to help business thrive. Login is simple. After you go and click on the link which is given in the description, you will come to this page where you will be shown this 90% discount. Then once you sign in, you will come to this dashboard. You will come to this dashboard, and unless you connect your bank account, you will not see balances and statements. And then account to watch list, you'll be able to see the account watch list like how it is shown here. And then you can also add budget if you want. Then you'll also see invoices owed to you, bills you need to pay. So all these transactions in a singular dashboard. So this the business accounting project contact tabs. They are core section to the platform. Basically simplifies and streamlines the essential business function. And here is the breakdown on tips on how you can use and leverage each business tab. This tab is hub for your day-to-day business operation. It allows you to manage invoicing, bill, code, purchase order. This is where you will handle all transactions with customers and suppliers. You can go for advanced users as your business is growing, and you can go for complex billing needs. You can streamline recurring invoices, bulk invoice processing, etc. And this is also one place to manage purchase order, especially useful for inventory heavy businesses. Under this business, when you come to short-term cash flow, this is where you can see your cash flow for short-term. Here it shows for 30 days. You can go and customize that for the next 7 days. And then this gives much more insight over this period, and you can plan your cash flow this way. When it comes to the business snapshot, here you will be able to see the profit or loss of the business, what the income is. You have two different methods, accrual and cash, what basis you're doing your accounting. And then you can check expenses, efficiency of your business, financial position, and cash held with the business. Then you can also check the financial ratios as you can see here. Invoice section will give you a sales overview where the invoice is. You will be able to see in a centralized fashion all the details at one place. Payment service section is where you can manage your payment method, any connected services, and also add this new payment service. So you can see here you have all these options. This is how the quote section is. This is the sales overview page. This is the bill page. You can add new bill here. You can see here these are the options. You can also automate the bill entry, and then you get to see all the bill details here. This is the purchase order section. Here you can come and create a new purchase order by clicking here and then entering the details. Xero makes it easier to manage your bills and purchases. You can send purchase order to your supplier, copy content to bills and sale invoices, and then you enter a bill you have received and make payment. So it's quite user friendly that way. As you can see in this purchase overview, you get to see the bill details, what is awaiting payment, what is overdue, and information related to the purchase order. This is how the expense section looks, where you can review what you have to pay, what you have submitted, all details you'll be able to see here. You can create a new expense by clicking here and doing an expense claim, then mileage claim. All those options exist here. The product and services page, basically an inventory management section where you can add new items. So by coming here and clicking, you can add the details here. You also have option to export either as CSV or PDF file. This is the pay run section, and once you enter the account code for the new system account, it will be used to record employee payslip, wage payable invoices, and that has not yet been paid at balance date. So this section, you can enter the detail here, and once it is done, you can save and continue. This is your check section where you can write, view, print, and manage all your checks. It's where you have record at one place. Accounting tab, this is where all your financial tasks like bank reconciliation, report, journal entries will come into play. And these are essential for tracking income, expenses, and tax-related information. You can go advanced with the use of accounting tab to generate custom report, manage multiple currency transaction, and also set up cash flow projection. So the advanced user often rely on it for tax planning, budgeting, and monthly financial closeouts. In the accounting section, bank account have this bank account connecting option where the transaction flow easily into Xero, and you can check all your bank transaction at one place. So you don't have to go and see through different dashboards. Have one singular one. You can add bank accounts here. You can transfer money. You can set bank rules. So you can have this at one place. This is the report section. So here you have all these reports. What you see: financial performance statement, payables, payroll, project, reconciliation, taxes, transactions. So based on the reports what you want, you can customize all these reports. You also have option for this advanced accounting, as you can see, and you can go and pick and choose whatever advanced settings you want from this place. So you can choose by coming here. Project tab. This lets user manage project-based work by tracking time, cost, profitability, and it's particularly valuable for the service-based business that charge by an hour or by deliverables. So as an advanced use, you can optimize the project tab to estimate project profitability by forecasting expenses and comparing them to the income payment. As an advanced user, you can leverage time tracking feature and cost allocation tools to accurately build, client, and manage project budgets. For the project, you can track project-wise what is in progress, what is closed. You can do timed entries by date and time-wise. If you have Trello, you can connect to Trello. Staff time overview, you will get a summary of employee work hours, enabling you to track time spent on the project, manage productivity, and accurately bill client for the labor cost. Contact tab, as the name suggests, it's a central address book for customers, suppliers, and vendors. It makes it easy to track interactions and transaction with each of the contact. As a advanced use, you can look for businesses with multiple contact touch points. Advanced users can categorize contact by type, add custom notes. You can track financial histories. That way improve the customer relation and vendor management. In the contact section, you can keep your customer, supplier, you can make it into groups, you can make a smart list, you can add new contact here. So it will be one central point where you have all contact, and then you can regroup them, and accordingly use to invoice, to bill, to do your transactions. When you're just starting, you can begin with the business and accounting tabs to keep track of invoice and basic accounting needs. As you're growing with the business, you can use the project tab to handle complex work with client, and the contact tab to improve customer and vendor relationship. And then once you have an established company, you can use advanced features across all tabs like multiple currency support, custom reporting, profitability tracking, and this will help established business gain deeper insight to optimizing the operation. So each of these tabs offers a powerful tool to help a business automate, manage, and grow effectively. As a business owner, my goal is to provide real insight into product that streamlines operations and drive growth. So you can focus on what matters most, that is scaling your business. Below is my affiliate link to access the discount mentioned in this startup video. You can also check out my website where I have organized everything for businesses and business owners. Thanks for watching.